Dive into the heart of the South Pacific and discover Fakarava, a diver's paradise nestled within French Polynesia's Tuamotu archipelago. With its UNESCO Biosphere Reserve status, Fakarava's underwater world is a treasure trove of vibrant coral reefs and teeming marine life. Reaching this remote atoll is an adventure in itself. Air Tahiti, the lifeline of French Polynesia, offers flights from Tahiti and neighboring islands, whisking travelers on ATR aircraft to their dream destination. For those journeying from afar, Air Tahiti Nui connects the dots from international cities like Los Angeles, Paris, and Auckland, with the promise of paradise just a flight away. Your gateway to Fakarava is through its quaint airport, where the spirit of island hospitality greets you upon arrival. Alternatively, land at Papeete Airport on Tahiti, a hub buzzing with international connections, and hop on a scenic domestic flight to Fakarava, where the atolls and motus unfold beneath you. To secure your spot in the sun, early booking is key, especially during the peak season from June to August. Keep an eye out for off-season deals, and if you're flexible, the shoulder months might offer more than just savings. A stopover in Tahiti could also lead to unexpected delights and cost-effective travel. Fakarava is not just a destination, it's an experience that begins with the journey. Choose your route, be it direct or with a touch of Tahitian charm, and let the airlines guide you to this untouched corner of the globe. Which airlines fly to Fakarava? Air Tahiti Nui, and French Bee will take you there. How long is the flight from Papeete to Fakarava? Just a brief 1 hour and 20 minutes in the air. When is peak season in Fakarava? The islands bask in their busiest glory from June to August. And for those booking flights? Plan ahead, watch for deals, stay flexible, consider a Tahiti layover, and perhaps let a travel agent book with a French Polynesia at Far and Away Adventures.